Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the GMind AI Syllabus Generator. In this video, you'll learn how to create, customize, and export syllabus in just a few clicks. Start by selecting the curriculum, add the subject and grade level, and if you wish, include a duration for the course. If you have additional resources or links, you can upload them here to enrich your syllabus. This flexibility means you can tailor the plan to your exact classroom needs. This helps the tool generate age-appropriate and curriculum-aligned syllabus. Next, let's move into the details. For the course overview, training objectives, required materials, course outline, and other details, I'll use GMind AI. GMind AI shines. It automatically generates structured, professional content for each section. Instead of spending hours drafting objectives or outlines, you get a polished syllabus in seconds. GMind AI will instantly create a complete English language syllabus for grade 7. You'll see a clear overview, objectives aligned with your curriculum, required materials, and a detailed course outline. From here, you can download the syllabus directly into your workspace. For example, I'll save mine as English 123. This makes it easy to organize and reuse whenever you need it. These tools help you personalize syllabus even further. That's it. To view your saved document on GMind AI Library, click on My Workspace. You will see a drop-down, then click on Library, and you will see it. You can also download it on your device. You're now ready to create fast, accurate, and professional syllabus using GMind AI. For more tutorials, explore our Help Center or subscribe for updates. Enjoy GMind AI, powered by GoToCourse.